Okay. So in previous session we discussed about transformation that deals with transforming AB into C. That means A plus B into C and A minus B into D. Okay. Now in this session we are going to discuss about conditional trigonometric identities. Okay. We are going to discuss about what? What is that conditional trigonometric identities? So we know about what is trigonometric identity. Okay, what is trigonometric identities actually? The identities which is true for all the values of theta. What are all the angles involved there? For that it will be true. Correct? Now here they are given conditional trigonometric identity means here they will give one condition. That condition is this A plus B plus C is 180 degree. If A plus B plus C is 180 degree, which is nothing but if A, B and C all three are angles of a triangle. All three are what? Angles in a triangle. That's why the sum of them is 180 degree. Okay. So using this condition we are going to prove some trigonometric identities. Let us proceed how it works. Okay. Now the first trigonometric identity. For all the identities, this is the condition. With this, we are going to proceed. The first trigonometric identity is sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c. That equals 4 sin a sin b sin c. We are going to prove this one. If a plus b plus c is 180 degree. Okay. Now see, the proof goes by like this. We know about taking LHS and proving the RHS. No, so I am taking the LHS here. What is in LHS? Answer me, da. LHS. What is in the LHS? So now in this, using this, we are going to prove this one. Now here all the things in addition. Here all the things in product. What makes this addition converted into product? That is trigonometric identity. What type of identity? What type of formula? Sin 2a plus sin 2b. So for that we are going to apply transformation formula. What formula? Transformation formula. The transformation formula is what? 2 sin c plus d by 2. That is 2a plus 2b by 2. After that, cos 2a minus 2b by 2 plus sin 2c. Correct? That is 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2 from the transformation formula. Now keep this 2 as it is. Now this will become what? 2a plus 2b is 4b. Is it? Answer, man. Respond. 2a plus 2b how much? We can't add those two. So we can write like take the 2 out and remaining a plus b would be there. Taking the 2 out, that 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. Then remaining here cos a minus b. Okay. And after that plus sin 2c. Now this may looks like a dead end. By this time, if you are intended to use sin a plus b cos a minus b, surely you will end up being in the previous step. So instead, what you are going to do is, I am going to use that condition that they have given. What they have given, a plus b plus c is 180 degree. So I am going to apply this a plus b value from this equation. What would be the value of a plus b here from this equation? So from here, a plus b is 180 degree minus c. So that is 2 times sin pi minus c. I am writing pi. Pi means 180. Okay. And cos a minus b plus sin 2c. Now see here, what is the value of sine 180 minus theta? That is sine pi minus theta is what? When the pi is there means there would be change or no change? No change. Then sine would be there as it is. The theta will come, and this pi minus means which quadrant? That is second quadrant. In the second quadrant, sine is positive. No issues. Okay. And I have cos A minus B. Now here I am having sine 2C, but here sine C is here. Look at the answer. We have sine A, sine B, sine C taken out. So is there any other possible way of splitting this 2C in terms of C? Is there any other way? Can you remember any formula or any trigonometric identity? Sine 2 theta formula. What is sine 2 theta formula? 2 sine A cos C. Is it or not? 2 sine C cos C. From this anything can be taken out common. We can take out 2 sine C as common. Then remaining we may have cos A minus B remaining from the first term, plus from the second term what we have? Cos C. Now 2 sine C. For this product sin C is ready. In the 4 1 2 is ready. Now either way we are going to represent in terms of sin A sin B. Now think of it, we have cos A minus B here plus cos C here. Is there any other way of making it as sin A sin B? Then we may have to think about whether this C can be expressed as sum or difference of A plus B or not. Is it possible? Is it possible or not? How it is possible? From the given condition. What condition is given there? So we can write 2 sine C cos A minus B plus cos, I am representing this C as 180 minus of A plus B. Is it possible? Shall we do that? 180 minus A plus B. Okay. Now 2 sine C, we have cos A minus B plus, now the same formula, cos 180 minus A plus B is what? That is answer 180 is there, pi is there means there will be no change, so the cos will remain same. So cos A plus B. Now 180 minus is which quadrant? 180 minus is which quadrant, ma'am? Second quadrant. So second quadrant will give you the negative for the cos ratio. In second quadrant only sine is positive. Okay. Now here 2 sine C. Now think of the formula that cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. I would like to remind you that I told you don't rely on the memorizing the formula. Instead, just understand the concept. Just think of it. What are all the terms will come in this cos A minus B? We have cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Can you remember? The same way in cos A plus B, we have cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. What happens when you subtract one from another means the first term will get cancelled, not the second one. First term will get cancelled. That means here positive cos A cos B will be there. There minus cos A cos B would be there because we are subtracting. What we are doing? Subtracting. Okay. So the second term will become positive. So here also second term is alive. There also second term is alive. So we can write 2 sin A sin B. Can you get what I am saying? Okay. Now I think we have arrived at our answer, right? Have you arrived or not? Answer. Look at the answer, man. What is RHS? But we don't have 4 there. See, 2 2s are 4. I am just rearranging by using what property? The name of the property is commutative property. Commutative property of multiplication. Okay. So that equals to right hand side. Hence we have our very first identity. Any doubts in this? Okay, are you started writing or not? Okay, then complete it. Let me know when you complete it.